Hey, what's up, guys? This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for stopping by. On this channel, we talk about making money online and ways to do so. If you haven't yet, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share for more ways to make money online. Now, today's video is going to be about a company called Komoot. It's one of the top apps for 2021. One of Apple's top apps for 2021 for biking and hiking. It's an app that allows people to chart paths, to find trails, and be able to go biking with Komoot. It's a play on the word commute, which means to travel to or to journey to somewhere. Okay, so why are we on this page? Well, this isn't the actual lead, but this is a list of jobs that Komoot has to offer. Firstly, the one we're going to be reviewing today is the Senior Performance Marketing Manager, and it's full-time and international, meaning it's a full-time job and you can work from various countries around the world. You don't need to be in a specific country to work that job. Next, they have a Senior Sales and Partnership Manager position available. That department is the sales department. The one I mentioned before, the Senior Performance Marketing Manager position, is actually a marketing position. Next, we have a Senior Marketing Analyst, and that is obviously a marketing position because it's a Senior Marketing Analyst. Next, Komoot is seeking a Senior Backend Engineer, Department Backend Developer. Next, they want a Senior Software Quality Assurance personnel, and again that is QA for quality assurance. All these are full-time, all these are international, meaning you can work remotely from another country that the office is in. All right, so like I said, we're going to be reviewing the performance marketing manager position. All right, and this was posted 13 minutes ago. So it's fresh out of the plastic. Fresh. One thing I forgot to mention is at the time and date of recording, of this recording, 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today is the 10th of February 2022. So whenever you see this video posted, that will give you some reference. This video will be posted the 11th of February 2022. It's pre-recorded and we will go out on the 11th of February 2022. Okay, let's jump into this money and help you land this job. When you come to this page, if you or when you press on that chain looking icon, what that will do is, like a chain, it will link you and it will link you to the company's website. I like going to the company because it gives me a feel of who they are, what they do. I can learn about their company structure, right? See what they have to offer, see the quality of their website. A lot can be said by a company's website. Okay, see bicycles, mountain peaks, people on bicycles, people in cabins, people traveling, biking, hiking. All right, and you can learn more about the company structure. You can learn more about what they do, how they do it, and other tidbits that you may not see necessarily from just a job post. So to review, again, it's international. You work from anywhere. It's 100% remote, and you work within time zones UTC1 and UTC3. If you're within those time zones, they will look at your application. Now, Komoot is an app that lets you find, plan, and share adventures, driven by a desire to explore and powered by the outdoor community's recommendations. It's Komoot's mission to inspire great adventures, making them accessible to all. And we're good at what we do. Google and Apple have listed us as one of their apps of the year numerous times. Today, with over 25 million users and 200,000 5-star reviews, Komoot is well on its way to becoming the most popular app for finding, planning, and sharing adventures worldwide. Join our fully remote team and change the way people explore. Honestly, some people don't explore, they just sit in their room in their house on their phones. They never come outside. because they think the graphics on their screen is better than the real deal. I kid you not. Okay, so about the role. As our senior performance marketing manager, you'll play a key role in building the biggest community of cycling and outdoor enthusiasts around the globe. You will manage the collaboration with our performance marketing agency, executing our mobile ad campaigns on Google Ads, Apple Search Ads, and Facebook. You'll take full ownership over all aspects of our performance marketing, including measurement, budget allocation, and creative strategy. You will also test new channels to further accelerate the growth of Komoot, and you can count on the full support of our design, copy, and data teams every step of the way. Ready for your next adventure? Alright, kids! Here's what you will do to get that adventure. You'll take full responsibility for our performance marketing strategy and drive growth across various channels and in multiple markets around the world. You'll lead and manage the collaboration with our performance marketing agency and their team of performance marketing managers, App Store optimization experts, data analysts, designer, and copywriters. You'll ensure successful planning, execution, and optimization of campaigns in every different markets and on various ad platforms such as Apple Search Ads, Google App Campaigns, Facebook Ads, Google Search Ads, etc. You'll test new ad networks. You'll test new ad networks and innovative formats to further accelerate the growth of Komoot. Monitor the performance of our apps in the app stores and oversee the App Store optimization roadmap. Okay. Monitor the performance of our apps in the app stores and oversee the App Store optimization roadmap. You'll maintain a good relationship with our App Store representatives and ensure a high visibility through App Store features. Monitor our KPIs to ensure the budget is spent efficiently across all performance channels to maximize the impact of our performance marketing campaigns. Ensure that we can measure the results of our campaigns and team up with our data analysts and the client developers to implement event tracking and mobile measurement solutions following highest data protection standards. Align our performance marketing campaigns with our global brand and marketing initiatives. Ensure high quality and relevancy of our ad copy and creatives following our brand guidelines. Now, why you love working with Komoot? Your work will have a direct impact on building the largest community of cyclists and outdoor enthusiasts in the world. You will be responsible for performance marketing campaigns on different channels and in 30 plus countries with significant budgets from day one. You can count on the support of a highly committed and skilled team, both in-house and at agency side. You will have a self-determined job with personal responsibility to move things forward, shape the processes, and choose the tools you need to do your best work. You get 38 days annual leaves, including public holidays, which vary by country, because every country has different public holidays, right? Right. So this is a remote role in a fully remote international team. You are free to work from anywhere that lies between the time zones UTC 1 and UTC 3. Will it be a beach, the mountains, or a co-working space covered by us? Doesn't matter. Anywhere within UTC 1 and UTC 3. You'll travel with us when safe for team gatherings in amazing locations several times a year. You can check out this playlist to find out more about how we stay close while being remote at this link. This link right here. This one. Okay? Okay. Alright. So requirements. To qualify for the role, you will be successful in this position if you have 3+ years experience running paid campaigns for a mobile app with hands-on experience running Apple Search Ads, Google App Campaigns, and mobile social ads, as well as Google Search Ads. Strong organizational skills to manage projects and campaigns with large amount of people from various backgrounds. A structured and methodical way of running and optimizing performance marketing campaigns. Proven experience of managing a performance marketing team or agency. Strong analytical skills and the ability to transform data into actionable insights. A strong knowledge of mobile measurement and tracking solutions. So Adjust, Google Firebase, etc., are examples of tracking solutions that you can try. A good understanding of attribution models, cohort analyses, and ROI calculation. Proven experience with App Store optimization. Now, if this sounds like you, great! We'd love to hear from you. So please send the following: your CV, curriculum vitae in English, highlighting your most relevant experience. Must. A write-up or cover letter explaining why you are and why you would like to work with Komoot. Okay, so for the CV and the cover letter, you can click the Canva link in the description below. So there's a link to Canva. Canva is free. Canva is software that you can use to create resumes, cover letters, CVs, stuff like that. They have a bunch of free templates that you can modify to suit your need. Okay. Next, examples of your work. Example, GitHub, PDFs, SlideShare, etc. And then lastly, feel free to send us something that shows us a little more about what you're interested in, be it your Twitter or Instagram account or your OpenStreetMap profile if you have one. So if you're curious to find out more about our recruitment process, then you can follow this link. At Komoot, we want to make great adventures accessible to everyone. We support diversity and inclusivity within the outdoors and welcome all prospective applicants. We have a rolling recruitment process. If this role is online, it means it's still open. We're accepting applications and actively looking for the perfect candidate. Is it you? Now, perks of working at Komoot: 38 days of vacation, including public holidays. So, the truth, you may be out for 2 months. As in, when you add up, all right, let me not say 2 months, maybe 40 something days total, 50 something days total. All right. Because when you add up days off plus public holidays, it would probably equate to that many. And that depends on the country you're working from as well. Dedicated time and budget to spend on your professional development, be it classes, conferences, books, etc. You decide. Discounts from leading outdoor and cycling brands. Flexible working hours and ability to work from anywhere in Europe. 3 whole company gatherings per year in beautiful locations. Optional togetherness trips with your team. Costs covered for your co-working space membership or your work from home office. The latest devices and equipment to do your best work. That sounds like a gem of a company to work for. And if you do indeed want to work for this awesome company, this button, this blue button that says apply for this job, let me show you. That button. Press that. Application page pops up. All right. Once it loads, you can import your resume, fill in your fields, first name, last name, email, upload your resume, cover letter. Why are you interested in working at Komoot? How many years of experience is a performance marketing manager? What was the most challenging task you professionally undertook in the past 2 years? So these are like interview questions that they're asking you to help filter through. How did you hear about us? I guess in this case, other YouTube. Are you a Komoot user? If yes, please feel free to share your profile. And you can see the rest. And when you're done, submit application. Komoot is an equal opportunity employer. They didn't state that in the application thing in the review, but they are. So they don't discriminate. They don't hate. They let you fill up your plate and all that good stuff. So submit. Expect replies from Komoot, Komoot's official reply system, and be on your way to making money online, guys. Thank you so much for sticking to the end. Appreciate it. And go ahead, hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like, comment, and share. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.